In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to drop a file into a specific spot in your PDF so readers can access supporting documents right where they're needed. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Give it a moment to load fully so all tools and panels are available. If you're prompted to update, it's a good idea to do so. The interface and tool names can vary slightly between versions, and staying current keeps things consistent. Next, open the PDF you want to work with. You can double-click the file to open it in Acrobat if it's set as your default viewer, or open Acrobat first and use File, then Open to select your document. Once it's open, scan through the pages to decide where an attachment will be most helpful. For example, near a chart, a reference, or a section that mentions an external document. Now look to the far left side of your screen for the vertical navigation shortcut panel. This is where Acrobat groups common tools and panes. You may see icons for thumbnails, bookmarks, and comments. If your window is narrow, the icons may be compact. Hovering over them can reveal their labels. Click the chat bubble icon to open the commenting tools. Within the comment toolbar, choose Attach File. This is the tool that lets you add a file as a clickable icon inside the page content so readers can open it directly from the relevant section of the PDF. With the Attach File tool active, click anywhere in your PDF where you want the attachment to live. A file browser window will appear. Navigate to the item you want to attach. This can be another PDF, an image, a spreadsheet, or most common document types. Select the file and click Open. If prompted, confirm any security or display options. For clarity, it helps to keep attachment file names descriptive and tidy, so recipients immediately understand what they're opening. You'll see a small paperclip icon appear exactly where you clicked. That icon indicates an embedded attachment. Hovering over it will show the file name, and clicking it will open or download the attached item depending on the recipient's settings. If the placement isn't perfect, you can select the icon and adjust its position slightly. You can also right-click to view properties, rename the display title, or add a brief description to help your readers. As a best practice, let your audience know that attachments are included and that they may need to trust the document to open them, especially in secure environments. When you're done, save your PDF to preserve the attachment and you're ready to share.